It's been stopping on 4440, 550, the Killington FM repeater, UHF. My FT5, and I think it's FT60 does the same thing. Something on this house. Oh, why am I getting a reflection off my camera? A whole bunch of military and ham stuff programmed in here. Try to put all the FM, C angle sideband, and CW calling frequencies for VHF, UHF, 160, 80, 40, 20, 15, you name it. It's in here. Add some shortwave stuff eventually. I do have the Icom Original Factory CS-RS20 programming software. And on the side right here, this little bottom port, just takes a mini USB to program it, which is really nice because I have a bunch of those for pocket PCs and other devices, so no special cable to buy. I have no idea what they're saying, do you? It's coming in quite well off the 27 megahertz CD antenna on there. Oh, she was big and fat as a cow, don't you know? Something like that they're probably singing. I'm holding the squat just so I keep it on frequency, otherwise it starts scanning again. I believe this is WWCR 12160. I think it's out of Nashville, Tennessee area, somewhere like that. Coming in quite well off the R20 with the, see that? The 27 megahertz width there.
But the absolution comes from you.
Got the Icom R20 just looped to my GPS mount. Kind of going out the window. Guess we're picking up some stuff. Huh.